diploma. I just completed 1200 teacher training in Vinyasa Yogashala. The way that I chose this school, I was super overwhelmed with all of the website, with all the schools in Rishikesh, but at the end, I went just with my heart and chose Vinyasa Yogashala. And now I think that it was the best decision. People are very welcoming, very kind, and so knowledgeable here. I came here with no expectation, but this was beyond what I was thinking to get out of this program. Yeah, we learned a lot, and it's just like a drop in the ocean. And I'm so grateful for all the teachers. We had amazing group. We had great events in the weekends. Yeah, so it was a blessing being part of this family. And I hopefully will come back for 300 also in the future. Namaste.